Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to show you a stunning wig that's perfect for adding some serious volume and style to your look. The 13x4 HD Lace Deep Wave Wig in FB/27 Ombre Highlight. This wig is made with 100% unprocessed 10A Brazilian virgin human hair, so you know it's going to be soft, manageable, and last a long time. Plus, the 13x4 HD Lace Frontal allows for a natural-looking hairline and the freedom to part your hair however you like, middle, side, or even half up, half down. The FB/27 Ombre Highlight adds a beautiful touch of dimension and complements the deep wave texture perfectly. This style is a popular choice for all seasons and looks amazing on Black women. The wig cap itself is 22.5 inches and has 4 built-in combs for a secure fit. There's also an adjustable elastic band, so you can customize it for your head size. This wig is perfect for any occasion, from birthday parties and graduations to weddings and cosplay. It's a great way to elevate your look and add some extra confidence. And if you have any questions or concerns, the seller has a dedicated after-sales team ready to help. So, if you're looking for a high-quality, versatile wig that will turn heads, this 13x4 HD Lace Deep Wave Wig in FB/27 Ombre Highlight is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more hair and beauty content. And if you have any questions about this wig, leave a comment below.